Okay na kayo?
Tara na, init. Bakit mo ganyan? Oo, may maliit na para maliit. Magkano mo?
I have small houses, big houses. Depends on your budget.
Yung dalawa na nga lang doon, yung shopping na
Large and small. This is for you. Your budget is
18
high.
and
It's
20.
for you. If you have budget that's so high,
Parang
you
gusto
buy a
niya
lot. You build your
gusto
own
may
house.
see-through kitchen.
So we have lots here as well.
Push
So
natin
we
yun sa
have...
kanya.
Ako ipupush ko dyan yung tigsi 70 million.
Huwag naman yan. 7 nga lang.
7 nga lang,
Kaya
pupush nga
naman.
namin sa Amarillo. Total nasa US na, pwede mo mag-loan siya.
My house on the other side, you're building a new one. And that's gonna cost for the land, for the house, around 46.
Wow.
That's too high.
46 million in tax.
That you're telling me that house is somewhere here. I'm going to show you one of those 46 million houses. It's up right there. All right. So actually, it's more than 46 million. It's around
Have you
70.
seen the house in Dumaguete of the American?
No, not yet.
$4 million.
$4 million.
Have you seen the one with this view? The one with Dumaguete? That one.
Was now 5 hectare or 5,000 hectare? 5 hectare.
No, this is not.
Big house, swimming pool. He go out the swimming pool, stairs out. He's on the beach.
Oh, that's a big ass. That's a nice.
$4 million. Then you're very rich. Eh?
Ito labas ng Antipodo.
That I want.
This one of the houses is around 60 million, 70 million.
Yeah.
I have a big ass pool
60
out there.
Oh my God.
Yeah, price of the lot here costs you around 100,000 pesos per square meter. This one, prime lots. Prime lots.
With bike.
Yes, yes.
Oh, pataas ang pataas.
Saan natin ito dadalhin?
Saan nila sila?
Ayan.
Yung nag-iisa na lang sir, try natin. Kasi yun yung pinasa ko. Pero pupush pa rin natin sa Amarillo sir.
Dali na muna natin sa Miraval
Sige sir.
para pagpabalik na lang tayo.
Okay sir.
Oh,
sige, sir.
Miraval.
Yeah, this one is being sold for 120 million
Ito yung
pesos.
lagi kong pinopost eh. Si
Yes,
Mira
that's
Valley. Dadaan daw
Yeah,
tayo.
it's a big house. Miraval muna tayo. Para pabalik tayo
makita
dito
mo
sa...
rin yung lagi kong pinopost.
Para hindi tayo
sa
pa ganun-ganon.
Hindi mo siya
That
ma-appreciate
house
dun
is
sa page ko.
a
Pero sa
Starbucks
person-
inspired house.
Wow.
Eh, nice house, right? It's off the cliff. But, hindi pa pula. Ay, kaya yun na nasa kaliwa mo yung pupuntahan natin. Para hindi tayo pa ganun-ganon.
Sige sir.
Andun muna tayo sa malayo.
Papila Park.
Manila Park. So, ito yung isa dun sa mga access roads na sinasabi ko doon in between Manila Park. So, we have a guard here and guard there. So, ayan yung Magjuwa.
Pero sir, kapag nila yung binili niya, ang pinakadaan niya, dyan pa rin yung gate niya, pwede ba
Pwede
siya
dito,
dyan?
pwede saan, maski saan.
Pwede
siya
naman siya
Yep.
dumaan. Okay, mag-access.
Access.
Okay, thank you sir. Ma-explain ko lang. Explain ko na lang din sa'yo yung mga naintindihan ko na hindi mo naintindihan.
Access all tayo. Kaya daanin ka ng lahat ng gate. Pero hindi ka makakapasok doon sa mga sa mga subdivisions. Maraming tanungan. Halimbawa ako, ang sticker nito is Mission Hills. Tinatanong ako pag mapasok ako ng PM.
Ay, may mga sticker. No,
Yeah, may sticker.
Pero pwede naman magpagawa ng sticker kahit sandi.
Wala man, bibili ka
Hindi.
doon sa
Per
kanila.
ano ka lang, per kung saan ka may property. Kasi
Oo.
kami nasa Mission Hills nga, nasa taas.
Okay.
Left and right properties is owned by the developer. So that's comprises of 300 hectares. That's why it's
Nandito na ang ating proyekto.
Yeah. Ay, ang ganda ng mirror.
Ang ganda naman ako katabi.
Oo, ngayon lang. Ito ang pinupost ko doon sa lalaki na taga Aguinaldo.
so this is the model unit.
Nasa 10.9.
Modern house. It has two